Hey, I've got a tutorial for the It Can't Be Done spectacular card trick, the last trick I did. So here we go. All right, so you can use a borrowed deck of cards if you want. It's a clean shuffle. There's no setup in this trick at all, which is great. And it's a great trick. So I really like it. So you do a shuffle and a cut. All right, then we do the riffle. And this is a fair nut card too. Again, we don't know what it is. Look at it for the tutorial. So it is the 2 of clubs, okay? So we'd memorize that card and I'd show it like this. Again, I wouldn't know it or see it in the trick. Then I take it and put it on my small pile over here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a little bit of a pinky break right here, okay? So what that does is from the front, looks like cards, but just a little break right here. And then I immediately, your card is right here, okay? So I immediately go into piles. You can't see it, and then this pile is your card, okay? And then this just mixes people up, so then you go, well, let's see, whoops. Pick this one up, how would I put this one on top? Maybe some of these, yeah, like that. And then maybe go like that, okay? It really mixes people up, because again, you keep going forward, they don't have time to think about it. So this 2 is now on top, okay? All right, the next step is just pure fakery. It's a fake shuffle. So I'm gonna shuffle the cards, and the last couple cards, which is your card, stays on top, okay? That's an easy shuffle, really. It doesn't take much practice at all. Okay, but now I need to put the card on the bottom, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do an overhand shuffle. So that card's now here, and then I drop some cards, and I actually dropped the card, which is embarrassing. And I did the trick, but so now the card is on the bottom, okay? So we move this card all over the place. That's why it's such a great trick, I think. Okay, now we do the drunken shuffle. At least I think that's what it's called. I should have looked it up, I guess. So you just take 5 or 6 cards and flip. Let me do it more this way so you can see really what's going on. Then you go all the way to the very bottom, and then your card's right here, and then you just go really quickly. Nobody will notice. All right, so let me put the card here for a sec. So here's your card, but let me show you what's actually happening with that shuffle. You just basically put half the cards facing down, half the cards facing up, so that when I flip them over, they'll all be facing in one direction, except for this card, because if I put it here, it's gonna change the whole direction. It'll be facing the opposite direction, okay? So then I just go to the center and find the break between facing up cards and facing down cards, just real quick, don't mention anything. And then you just flip it like that. And this looks great because you're flipping it on top of that. It looks impossible. Okay, then you turn it over, do a little bit of magic. Whoosh. I mean, that does look impossible if you ask me. And then you spread them out and you now have a miracle. There's one card facing up. It's your 2 of clubs. So hope you liked the tutorial. Hope I explained it well enough. Thank you for watching. Go watch the trick. Have a great day.